So a lot of times in GitHub you only want one file and not the whole repository. So what I used to do is I used to take the code from the main folder from the main repo, and I would do git clone right here, and then I would take that file, copy it into another folder, and delete the old repo, which is very inefficient. And if repositories are huge, like, that's inefficient. So a quick way to get individual files is just go look for that file. Let's go in the source folder, and then some people might do right click save link as, but that's not what you do, because it's going to show a bunch of other mumbo jumbo. What you need to do is go to the raw, which you see here. You can do control S like this and then save it like that, or you can do it directly without going to that page for quicker access, and you can do save link as. And then if you go to the actual demos folder where it's saved, you can see now. Let's open with text editor that this is exactly the app.js and what you need. So this is a quick way to save individual files. And a lot of times for notebooks and stuff, I'll end up like it'll show a .text sometimes. And what I do to take away that is I take away the text extension and I put the proper one, like IPYNB, for like a Jupyter notebook. But that's the only one I've seen so far that does that. So let's click on this, and here's the same thing with the vector file with the logo SVJ. You can see it popped up here, and then clearly that's that file. So again, this is to save individual files on GitHub.